Hey friends, welcome back to Tech Custom. In this video we have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. As you can see, this is the Redmi 5. Let's have the specification of this ROM. As you can see, this is the MIUI 12.5 21.2.24 version. Beta ROM available for Redmi 5 Rozi. This is the ported ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. This is ported from Redmi 4S. As you can see, device name is Redmi 4S. You can rename it. And here is the update channel. Update channel is also available from here. It will directly get to the Razer OS updates. As you can see, all specification. Let's check the whole specification. As you can see, this is the ported ROM from Redmi 4S. So device name is Redmi 4X and 2GB RAM and CPU. As you can see, octa-core max 1.80. You will get the Android version 10 in this ROM. As you can see, Android Q latest working, and here is the version available. And here is the kernel 3.18.140 QL-Lite kernel is installed in this ROM. This is the latest build available, latest build or port, whichever you can say. Today we will review this ROM, so don't worry. We will also check all the performance and how is the performance of this ROM in gaming also. We will play Call of Duty and we'll check all the status, privacy, security. We will check all the features and we will also check the bugs of this ROM. First, let's talk about the features. Geo is working perfectly without any problem. There is no problem in the Geo. Bolt is also working, so don't worry. And here is the sign in option. You can easily sign in without any problem. And Wi-Fi is working 100% accurately without any problem. There is no delay on any bug in the Wi-Fi. And the hotspot is also working perfectly. Let me show you hotspot. Here is the hotspot. Let's turn on the hotspot, as you can see, and you will get the notification icon. And here you can see here are some of the bugs of this ROM. AOD always on display is not working. As you can see, face unlock not working, and screen recorder not working. Turn on when picking up phone is not working. As you can see, these all are the bugs of this ROM. All the bugs will be written in the description, so you can check the description also. Now let's check the features of this ROM. What are the other features? And there is no option to customize your phone other than the MIUI features. And wallpaper and personalization, you will get the wallpaper and personalization. You can set it according to your use. It works perfectly without any problem. Right now, as you can see, it's reset. Always on display, I already told you about the bug of the always on display in this ROM. There is a bug in the always on display. Let me show you. As you can see, there is bug in the always on display. I am not able to use the always on display in this ROM. Tap fingerprint sensor to wake, we will also check. And let me show you that raise to wake is also working. Let me show you tap fingerprint sensor to wake. As you can see, it is working perfectly without any problem. And here is the lock screen format. Here you can see you can apply it according to your use, whichever you want. It works perfectly without any problem. And charging animation is also working. Password and security, let's check the speed of the fingerprint and face unlock. Face unlock, there is bug in the face unlock, but we will check it. As you can see, fingerprint is working and the vibration is also working in the fingerprint while applying the fingerprint. Now let's check the fingerprint speed. How fast is the fingerprint speed? Tap open. As you can see, fingerprint speed is just amazing. There is no problem or delay in the fingerprint. And now let's check the face unlock, whether the face unlock is working or not. And the dark theme is also working, so don't worry. Add face data, let's wait for a few seconds. As you can see, there is problem in the face unlock. Your phone will be stuck on the loading camera. After that, it will exit. It will show you an error while not able to connect to the camera. So there is problem in the face unlock. Could not add face data. As you can see, here is the dark mode, light mode. You can set it according to your use. It is working perfectly without any problem. Here is the brightness level. You can adjust it according to your use, and automatic brightness is also working. Now let's check the reading mode. Reading mode is also working. As you can see, it works perfectly without any problem, and you can adjust it according to your use, whichever you want. As you can see, it adjusts perfectly without any problem. Let me turn off. Font setting, you can change the font setting also. And here is the control center and the status bar. Show LTE instead of 4G. Connection speed is also available. Percentage battery inside. Full screen display is also available. If you want to mirror the buttons, you can mirror the buttons from here, from left to right, right to left. And full gestures is also available. It is working perfectly without any problem. As you can see, it is working perfectly without any problem. And if you want to hide the full screen gestures, you can hide it. As you can see, back button is also working perfectly. And if you talk about the sound, vibration is also working, sound is also working. As you can see, vibration for call, vibration on tap is also working. You can adjust the intensity also, it works perfectly. And the performance of the battery is also good, not bad. And here are the few applications installed. There is a camera is also installed in this ROM. As you can see, here is the camera is working. As you can see, camera is working. Let me turn on the flash. As you can see, camera is also working perfectly without any problem. As you can see, there is no problem in the front camera, also rear camera, front camera. All the notification icon is working, whichever you want. And here is the notification, and here is the control center. You can adjust it. All the buttons are working. As you can see, all the button screenshot is also working. Long screenshot is also available. And let's check the AnTuTu score. Here you can see it is the 84,510 score in this ROM, 37,578. And here is the memory performance and GPU performance, 9522 and 14,000 UX data processing speed. And for 0% decrease in the temperature, it is while I was testing and to the benchmark, the phone is not heating. My phone was not heating. And 1% battery drop. And here is the DRM info. Let's check the DRM info. Here is the, as you can see, Xiaomi Redmi 4X, but the name is not changed of this ROM. The name remains the same, only Redmi 4X. Now let's check the safety net test. Is the safety net is passed or not in our ROM? Run test. As you can see, safety net is successfully passed. Now let's check. You can easily log in the Play Store via Gmail. It is working perfectly without any problem. And let's check whether our device is certified or not. As you can see, our device is certified. And here you get the themes. It is working perfectly without any problem. You can apply these themes also. So now let's check the gaming performance of this ROM, ported ROM. As you can see, we will play the Call of Duty. As you can see, right now it is working perfectly. We will check after coming nearby to the enemy. And how is the lag? As you can see, when we come near the let me play for a few minutes. As you can see, now the performance is increasing. Right now the lag was only in the starting. After that it is now fixed. As you can see, you can play normally without any problem. Only little bit drop. There is only a little bit drop in the performance. As you can see, it is working perfectly fine, smooth, without any problem. But there are bugs in this ROM. Else the ROM is very good, the performance is very good in this ROM. Gaming performance is also very good. There is no problem, as you can see. And there is no restart, no lag, no stuck on the main application or any other application. After that the performance is very good. So I recommend this ROM for gaming. But there are many other ROMs which based on MIUI 12, whose performance is also very good. You can check that ROM also. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.